Hello friends, I am your trusty PowerPoint tour guide and today we are going to explore the amazing world of themes. And I have to warn you, once you discover the magic of themes, you'll never be able to go back to boring presentations again. But seriously, themes are unsung heroes of the presentation. They can turn an ordinary presentation into a visual masterpiece with just a few clicks of a button. So get ready for some themelicious fun, my friends. Let's get started. Section 1. Using themes. Themes are applied in majority of the presentation made in PowerPoint. Use of theme completely changes the outlook of a presentation and it's super easy to apply. Let's go to PowerPoint. Suppose I have prepared this 5-slide presentation. Now I want to apply a theme. Click on Design tab at the ribbon and you will notice the theme group. You will see multiple themes here. Click this button to open more themes. You can select any theme and click it. Wow! Just one click and your presentation has gone from drab to fab. And the best part is, you don't even know how to design. PowerPoint does all the work for you. And if you're adventurous, you can try another theme like this or like this. But wait, we are still not done with theme. There's more. You can customize your selected theme to make them truly unique. For this, we will use the variant group. Changing colors. Click this button in a variant group. Drop-down menu will open, which contains colors, fonts, effects, background styles. Move the cursor to your colors. Then you will see the huge list of available color palettes. Click any color theme you like. You will notice that the slide theme will remain the same. However, color theme will be applied to all slides of presentation. If you want to apply color theme to selected slide of presentation, then first select the slide. Then in variant group, move the cursor to the desired color palette. Then right click and choose apply to a selected slide. You will see that the color scheme of only selected slides have been changed, whereas the rest of the slides are unchanged. Similarly, you can also select the fonts from the available font themes. Click this button in variant panel. Drop down menu will open. Move the cursor to fonts. A list of available fonts will appear. You can choose any font of your liking. If you are not comfortable with the available theme fonts, you can customize your own theme by clicking Customize Fonts at the bottom of the list. A dialog box will appear. Select heading font and body font of your choice and give this font theme any name. Next time, when you will open the fonts in variant group, you will notice that the custom font you just created appears at the top. Alright kids, it's time to put your knowledge to the test and see if you have been paying attention or just daydreaming about pizza. Let's have a quiz to see what you have learned so far. Question number 1. Theme group is included in Draw tab of ribbon. True or false? If your answer is false, then you are correct. Theme tab is included in Design tab of ribbon, not in Draw tab. Question 2. Which group of Design tab contains option to change color of the selected theme? A. Theme group. B. Variant group. C. Designer group. D. None of the above. If your answer is B, then you are correct. Color palette is available in variant group of the design tab like I mentioned earlier. Section 2. Changing backgrounds. You can change background of a presentation in two ways. Background can be changed whether a presentation has a theme applied or not. Now let's see how we can change a background of this presentation. Method 1. Right click the slide and slide sorter panel and click Format Background. Format Background panel will appear at the right side of your screen. Now change the background color of your choice by clicking Fill Color and choosing your required color. Tip: if available colors do not satisfy you, you can make a color of your own by clicking More Colors like this and checking different options till you find your perfect color. Method 2. Another way to access Format Background is to click Design tab of ribbon and choose Format Background panel in the ribbon. The same dialog box will appear at the right of the screen. You can change any color as mentioned previously. Tip: there are more options in Format Background panel such as Gradient Fill, Picture or Texture Fill and Pattern Fill, etc. These are a bit advanced options which we will cover in some later video. Hope you found this video useful. In the next video we will learn about slide layouts. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.